For a 5-inch hoop, double it. That would be 10 inches. The length of the wire so far. Add another 5 inches extra to factor in your the twisting of your trunk, the twisting of your branches and stems, and how many times you're going to need to wrap it around the hoop to secure it. You always want to have at least 5 to 6 inches extra. Another thing to factor in, how you're going to be creating your root system. Are you going to be doing a lot of twisting like this one and then twisting the trunk? Or are you going to not have those extra twists and you're just going to tie the wire around and complete the trunk? Either way, you want that extra wire. For the 2-inch, you want 4 and then an extra 3 inches because it's a pretty small one. Anything under a 6-inch hoop, I like to use regular jewelry wire or the copper wire, more flexible, 24 gauge, 22 gauge, whatever you prefer. But my opinion is with these larger hoops, and everyone asks me this, if you're going to use a larger hoop, that's a lot of wire. Use the 22 gauge aluminum. It's a softer wire. This is a colored one here. This is a 22 gauge. You can also use a 20 if you wanted. Depends on if you're going to use beads. It's very soft, easy to work with. However, be really careful with the tools that you're going to use with handling it and doing a lot of twisting. The more you manipulate an aluminum wire, it's going to break off really easy. 10-inch hoop means you're going to have to do standard 20 to double it. Then I would definitely go with at least 8 to 10 inches above the hoop. How many strands? I'm not really going to get into because it just depends on the style that you want. This is a 4-inch ring. I have aluminum wire on it. For this one, I want to do a really thick trunk. So, as you can see, I cut quite a bit of wire. Didn't even bother to count it because I just eyeball it. I pretty much see what I want, how I want the trunk and stems to go, and I cut a lot extra because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Same thing with this one, the 5-inch. I'm going to have this one not quite as thick. I didn't cut as much, and I have about another 5 inches at the top to work with. And that's pretty much my lesson for today on how long. Next video I do is going to be the length with your trees.